Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Immigration YTTV. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about 7 shocking green card changes in 2025 you must know. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: 7 shocking changes in 2025 that could put your green card at risk. With the new administration's immigration crackdown, permanent residents are facing heightened scrutiny like never before. We'll explain each change, why it matters, and how to avoid pitfalls. Remember, this is for educational purposes. Always consult an immigration attorney for your situation. Let's get started. 1. Stricter enforcement on abandonment of residence. Extended time abroad can now more easily lead to your green card being revoked for abandonment. In 2025, USCIS and CBP are cracking down on permanent residents who spend too much time outside the U.S., viewing it as intent to abandon residency. If you're gone for over 6 months without a re-entry permit or show patterns of living abroad, you could face deportation proceedings upon return. This is a big shift from previous leniency, especially with AI tools monitoring travel data. To protect yourself, file Form I-131 for a re-entry permit if planning long trips, and maintain U.S. ties like taxes and property. 2. Expanded criminal grounds for deportation. Even minor criminal convictions can now cost you your status under broadened deportation grounds. The 2025 policies emphasize revoking green cards for any crime involving moral turpitude, aggravated felonies, or even misdemeanors tied to immigration violations. This includes DUIs, domestic issues, or fraud-related offenses. With the administration's focus on law enforcement checks, green card holders are being vetted more rigorously, leading to more revocations. Stay compliant by avoiding any legal troubles and seeking expungement if possible. Prevention is key here. 3. Social media and data vetting. Your social media activity could get your green card revoked if it's deemed a security threat. As part of the 2025 crackdown, officials are reviewing posts, likes, and online behavior during vetting processes, including at borders. Posts supporting violence, terrorism, or even certain protests might flag you for revocation. This extends to phone data and apps checked upon entry. Tip: review and clean up your online presence, and be mindful of what you share. Freedom of speech has limits in immigration contexts. 4. Public charge rule expansions. Using certain public benefits can now label you a public charge and lead to green card loss. The updated rules in 2025 tighten scrutiny on immigrants who rely on programs like Medicaid or food stamps, especially if it suggests inability to self-support. This is part of broader tax and benefit changes affecting lawful permanent residents. To avoid this, aim for financial independence and consult experts before applying for aid. Many exceptions exist for refugees or asylees. 5. AI-driven fraud detection and catch and revoke. AI tools are revolutionizing fraud detection, making it easier to revoke green cards for misrepresentation. The Catch and Revoke program, launched in 2025, uses artificial intelligence to scan applications and histories for inconsistencies, leading to automatic reviews and potential deportations. This targets marriage fraud, false claims, or undisclosed information. Always be truthful in filings and keep records. Honesty is your best defense. 6. New registration requirements for immigrants. Failure to comply with new registration rules starting in 2025 could result in status revocation. Certain immigrants, including some green card holders from specific countries, must register with the government by April deadlines. Noncompliance is grounds for deportation under the crackdown. Check uscis.gov for your eligibility and set reminders. It's a simple step that can save your status. 7. Changes to family-based petitions and conditional status. Heightened discretion in family-based immigration could jeopardize conditional green cards. Effective August 2025, USCIS officers have more power to deny or revoke based on interviews and evidence, especially for marriage-based cards. If your relationship is questioned, it could lead to removal of conditions, denial, and deportation. Prepare thoroughly for interviews with documents proving bona fide relationships. There you have it, the 7 shocking changes in 2025 that could cost you your green card. The U.S. immigration landscape is evolving rapidly, so stay vigilant and informed. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below with your questions. For personalized advice, reach out to a qualified attorney. Thanks for watching. See you next time.